In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PowerPoint file to your Google Drive account. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through every step to ensure it goes smoothly and efficiently. First, let's navigate to your internet browser and type in drive.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Drive, your personal cloud storage where you can keep all sorts of files and access them from anywhere with an internet connection. Once you're there, take a glance at the upper left corner of the screen. You will see a colorful plus sign next to the word New. Simply click on this. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you a variety of options to choose from. For our purpose, you'll want to select File Upload. When you click File Upload, your computer's File Explorer will open, allowing you to navigate to the location where your .pptx file is stored. Carefully select the PowerPoint file you wish to upload and hit the Open button. At this point, your file will begin uploading to Google Drive. You can track the upload progress in the lower right corner of your screen. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this might take a few seconds to a few minutes. Once the file has successfully uploaded, you'll see it appear in your main Drive view. Now, you might want to edit or simply view this presentation in Google Slides. For that, locate your uploaded PowerPoint file in Google Drive and right-click on it. A contextual menu will appear with several options. Look for the Open With option, then click Google Slides. By doing this, Google Slides will convert your PowerPoint into a format that is compatible with its features, which allows for seamless viewing and editing. Now that your file is open in Google Slides, you're ready to make it fully editable. To achieve this, head up to the menu bar on the top of the page. Find File and click on it to open a new drop-down menu. In this menu, select Save as Google Slides. For some older versions, it might say Save a copy in Slides format. By selecting this, you're creating a Google Slides version of your presentation, which gives you access to all the powerful collaborative and editing tools Google provides. Before wrapping up the process, take a moment to review your newly converted Google Slides presentation. Keep an eye out for any changes in the format. Sometimes, fonts, layouts, and animations don't transition perfectly, so make sure everything looks good and works as expected. If you notice any discrepancies, you can easily adjust them using the features in Google Slides. With everything looking perfect, your presentation is ready to be shared, presented, or further edited as needed. And there you have it, a seamless way to upload and convert your PowerPoint files into Google Slides. Now you can collaborate in real time with colleagues or friends easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.